Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Naveen and you're watching Capsule Pharma News. And before going into today's news, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So don't wait and let us get into today's news. Coming to the first news, CL Bed Mehta College of Pharmacy is organizing an international webinar series 6 on topic ethical considerations in animal experimentation and research, and this webinar is going to be held on 3rd July 2020 and the timings are 11 am to 12 pm by speaker Dr. Uren M.Pharm PhD, Program Director, B.Pharm School of Pharmacy, International Medical University, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And this webinar is jointly organized by Department of Pharmacology and Pharmacy Practice, and the platform for this webinar is Google Meet and YouTube. That is, you can watch this live stream on YouTube on their YouTube channel, or you can join the Google Meet if you participate early. And these are the details about this. If you want to know more about this, you can know at the time of registration. And coming to the next news, KM College of Pharmacy, Tamilnadu, Madurai is organizing a webinar on rational approaches in drug design and discovery by resource person Dr. V. Ravichandran, who is M.Pharm PhD from AIMST University, Malaysia. This is going to be held on 1st July 2020 and morning 10:30 am to 11:30 am. And they have given some instruction, that is, you must fill the form carefully without any mistakes, so same name will be appear on the certificate. And this is a common thing whenever you give details for any webinar series, you must give your details in a proper and correct way so that you do not get any mistakes while receiving your e-certificate. And one more thing, after the end of the session they will give a feedback link and you should open the link and fill the feedback form, then only you will receive the e-certificate. Friends, coming to the next news, Vijaya Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences for Women is organizing a webinar series on advances in natural product research and novel therapeutic approaches for treatment of COVID-19. And this webinar is going to be held on 1st and 2nd July 2020, and this is conducted in association with Antiviral Research Society. And coming into more details, that is, I will let you know more details about this webinar. And the day 1 session, that is on 1st July at 11 am, that is, the first session starts at 11 am by Professor Shankar D, Quality and Research Manager, Natures Laboratory, White by UK, and session 2 on 2nd July 2020 at 11 am by Professor P. Selvam PhD, who is the President, Antiviral Research Society. And the registrations are free and e-certificate will be issued to all the registered participants. I have already provided the registration link in the description. From there you can register and participate in these webinars. Coming to the next news, International Webinar Series by Dr. Rajendra Gode Institute of Pharmacy and Dr. Rajendra Gode College of Pharmacy, Amravati, IQAC Cell is organizing International Webinar Series on Indo-US Collaborative Pharmacy Education International Webinar Series, that is Facets of Pharmacy. This is going to be held on 7th to 10th July 2020. That is, it's going to held between 7th to 10th July. The timings are 9 am every day. And getting into more details, friends, this is not a free webinar and you must register for it at a fare of 50 rupees. And they have provided the QR or a UPI code mentioned in the registration link. That is, at the time of registration, you can pay using any of the payment method in order to participate in this webinar. And the WhatsApp group and webinar link will be provided on registered mail ID. That is, they have created a WhatsApp group to inform any news in advance. You can get that WhatsApp group at the time of registration. That is, they will allow you to join that WhatsApp group at the time of registration. And getting into details of the webinar series, that is webinar 1 on 7th July at 9 am, Personalized Medicine, Current Perspectives and Pharmacogenomics and its Importance in Pharmacy Education and Practice by Balwant Chauhan, MD, PhD, Associate Professor, AUHS School of Pharmacy, CA. Coming to webinar 2 on 8th July, Evidence Synthesis and Patient Care by Prashant, Associate Professor, Roosevelt University College of Pharmacy, IL. Coming to webinar 3 on 9th July, Cancer Immunotherapy, What is it? By Rahul Deshmukh, MS PhD, LECOM School of Pharmacy, FL. Webinar 4 on topic Gene Therapy for Diabetes Mellitus, Ravikiran Panakanti PhD. He is Associate Professor, Roosevelt University College of Pharmacy, IL. And these are the details about this webinar. And coming to the next news, PC College of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research is organizing a webinar on role of pharmacist in patient counseling era of COVID-19 in association with Group Pharmaceuticals Limited, Bangalore and Karnataka Registered Pharmacist Association. The event will be graced by MD Saluddin, Principal, Farokia College of Pharmacy, Mysore, Mr. Sunil S. Chiplunkar, Vice President, Business Development Group, Pharmaceuticals Limited, Bangalore, Dr. Kaushik Devaraju, President, Karnataka Registered Pharmacist Association. And I have already provided the registration link in the description. From there you can register yourself and participate in this webinar. And getting into more details about this webinar, who can attend: teachers or academicians, pharmacists and other healthcare professional students. And you can join the Zoom meeting. They have given the Zoom meeting ID and password, or you can watch the live stream on YouTube channel. And if you have any queries, they have mentioned a contact number, that is WhatsApp number, email and the website, etc. You can contact directly through WhatsApp. It is the best option. That is, the number is 9623644577. And this webinar starts on 6th July 2020 from 4 p.m. onwards. And webinar outlines are: concept of pharmaceutical care and patient counseling, knowledge, attitude and practice requirements for pharmacists, pharmacist and patient self-care, patient counseling in special population and patient adherence. These are the webinar outlines. Guys, do participate in this webinar. You can know more about new things every day by participating in various webinars, and I am here to provide you all the information. You just need to participate and encourage me by subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. And coming to the next news, VELS School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Department of Pharmaceutics is cordially inviting you for a webinar. And this webinar is going to be held through Google Meet, and the registrations are free. And the topic is e-learning in pharmacy education, significance and implementation, by resource person Dr. Nuhu Abdullah Khan, PhD, Assistant Professor, Department of Clinical Pharmacy. Guys, this is the news for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this with your friends. And don't forget to check that whether you subscribe to my channel or not. If not, please subscribe to my channel, because I will upload new information daily for you. And see you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Pharma News.